In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block all spam and robocalls on your Samsung Galaxy M13. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our phone dialer. From here, click on these three little dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. From here, you will need to enable caller ID and spam protection, but that option is only available when you have a SIM card inserted. Sadly, I don't have one, so simply enable it like by pressing on this right here. The button will turn blue and that means it's enabled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.